12 places which will make all the nature lovers to plan Coorg holidays now. Often known as the falls that were discovered by Lakshmana, they hold a special place in the Hindu history. Falling from the glorious Brahmagiri range, these falls are one of those places in Coorg that you must pay a visit. This stunning tiger reserve in Coorg is one of the places that you cannot miss. Ranging from wild elephants and tigers to wild dogs and deer, this place will give you a thrilling experience. Another dig for all the religious tourists in Coorg, this temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. With Islamic and Gothic style architecture that is sure to turn your heads and stunning legend behind the construction, this place is interesting in its own way. Located amidst the coffee plantations and the spice estates, this ravishing set of falls is just the perfect spot to visit in Coorg. The waters of the stunning Kaveri River flow along this rock face, turning into the most charming waterfalls you can witness in the place. The second highest peak in Karnataka, Tadyandamool, is a haven for all the trekkers. Situated about 35 kilometers away from the Madikeri town, this peak offers a challenging trek for all the adventure seekers. If you are looking forward to some amazing rafting activities, then Barapol River is the right place for you. This picturesque river offers a feast to your eyes as you steer your way through its smooth waters. An abode for all the Buddhists, this stunning monastery should be on your list of places to visit in Coorg. Located in Bilakuk, it has a fascinating architecture that should be well noted. Home to plenty elephants, this exciting camp on the outskirts of Madikeri will give you a deep insight into these massive creatures. Walk along a wonderful bloom of flowers featuring a wide range of vibrant colors. Apart from being a place of interest among the tourists, this place is also the perfect spot to get a glimpse of the beautiful sunset of Coorg. Standing tall in the Kodagu district, this place is the perfect destination for all the trekkers. With a medium trek that gives some spectacular views, it is one of the must-visit places in Coorg for the adventure seekers. This site of pilgrimage in the district of Kodagu is a popular one among the tourists for its lake. It also offers some stunning panoramic views from the highest point of the hill Brahmagiri. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you